When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Welcome back learners to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing here our question number 7 of worksheet 1 class 8 DAV Maths chapter 4 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here our question number 7 is, if the weight of 5 sheet of paper is 20 gram, how many sheet of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kilogram? Here units are different. If the weight of the 5 sheet of paper is 20 gram, how many sheet of the same paper would weigh 2.5 gram? In this question we have to find here the sheet, number of sheets whose weight is 2.5 kilogram. Firstly, here the units are same. Here is in gram, here is in kilogram. So we convert the bigger unit, this kg, into this gram. So we have to multiply 2.5 multiply by 1000, which is equal to 2500 gram. Firstly, in this we have to convert the kilogram into gram. Now I make a table here for this question. So this is the table of our question. I write here sheet of paper. Sheet of paper in first box and in second box weight, which is in gram. Sheet of paper are 5 sheets of paper whose weight is equal to 20 gram. So how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kg? I write 2.5 kg here and I let this one sheets, number of sheets we have find in this question, let this be x. Now we have to convert this 2.5 kg into gram. So when we multiply 2.5 into 1000, that is equal to 2500 gram. Here this 20 is smaller than this 2500 gram. So here the quantity is increasing. This is also in gram and this is also in gram, 2500 gram. So here the quantity is increasing. If the quantity is increasing here, the weight of the sheet, number of sheets are 5 whose weight is equal to 20 gram. So here the number of sheet will also more. So this quantity will also increase. I again explain here, 20 is smaller than this 2500 gram. So here the quantity is increasing here. So here the weight of the 5 sheet of paper is 20 gram. Now here this quantity is increasing, then the value of x is also increasing. So from here this quantity will also increase. Here both the quantity is increasing. So this is a question of direct variation. So from here both quantities are increasing here. So it is a case of direct variation, which is x upon y is equal to k constant. Now I write here 5 upon 20, which is equal to x upon, I write here 2500. Now by cross multiply, 5 multiply by 2500, which is equal to x multiply by 20. Now I find out the value of x from here. I write x is equal to 5 multiply by 2500 upon 20. This 0 cancel this 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and x is equal to 5 multiply by 125, and 5 multiply by 125 is equal to 625. So here we find the number of sheets here. So I write the value of x here. X is equal to 625 sheets. So the weight of 625 sheets is equal to 2500 grams. So this is the solution of this question.